Welcome to the Craft and Fix channel. Today, let's build a cozy wooden swing for your backyard. We'll be using timber that's easy to find at any hardware store. All you need are some basic tools like a saw and screwdriver. This swing can also be mounted on a porch, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor space. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.